Welcome to Frogfoot Holler, y'all. I'm Michael. My nephew Colton's behind the camera today, and it's a froggy day today, which means we got to get to hopping. Now, see, guys, we got all my sweet peas to go ahead and get up and pick and get rid of these rows so my tomatoes have room to grow. But see, here's the problem. See, now that I got to get to hopping today, well, guess what? Just like life, I have an old knee injury that is acting up today. So I'm doing good to be able to walk around and everything, and bending my knees, not so good today. So I said, well, my nephew Colton, he's a young man, and he can do all this manual labor for me, so I'm gonna let him do it all, and I'm gonna sit back and watch him. No, that ain't how it goes, y'all. See, even with the injury, I'm still out here, and I gotta get stuff done too. So what we have decided to do is, as he's pulling up the plants and getting them off of this Hortonova netting, he's going to bring them over here to me, to this table, and I'm going to pick them, put the peas in here, and put the plants in the wheelbarrow so they can go in the compost pile. But I won't be putting all the plants in my compost pile. If the plants don't look right, if it looks like it's diseased or anything, it's going off to the side to go into the woods to decompose in the woods. But peas do have a good nitrogen source, so that's the reason why I'm wanting them in my compost. Now, guys, we got to get to hopping. So we're going to hop into this in super frog mode. Well, no, you know what? Let's not do that quite yet. See, what we're actually going to be doing, you see this pea plant right here? It's got a pea on there. We're going to be taking it. He's going to be pulling it up like this. And this is going to take a little bit. He's just going to get it out from there. Bring it over to my sorry's tail right here. And I'm just going to be taking it and pulling all the peas off of it. It don't matter if it's a small pea, big pea, little peas, itty bitty pea. It's all getting pulled off today. Now, these little peas that aren't quite ready yet, they can still be eaten. And yeah, they don't have to have peas on them. They're good just as they are. So we're picking everything. And there it goes. So that's the process we're going to be using. Now, should I kind of mess with Colton again and do it again so he has to move around real quick? He's shaking his head no, y'all. All right, so we're going to get in super frog mode and get to hopping. Booyah, booyah, ow. And we are back from super frog mode, y'all. I tell you what, that super frog mode takes it out of us. Now, we got some more work to do, but I wanted to show you this first. Look at all this. Look at all these. Yeah, that's going to add some weight to my SHEDWARS teamaquarius. Yeah, right now I'm already up to 22.5 pounds in squash, not including this. And this feels about maybe 12 pounds, 13 pounds, somewhere around there. So that's going to add some more to my weight this week. And well, I'm hoping to dig some taters. I might have a pretty good week if I'm lucky. But guys, what we're actually going to be doing next is taking these posts down. We're going to be taking the wire down that's supporting the netting, and then taking the netting down. I think I said that backwards, y'all. We're going to be taking the netting down and the wire down, then taking the post down. There we go. That sounds like a smarter idea. But we're going to do that. Then we're going to come in and actually clean up the middle of this bed, so that way my tomatoes don't have to fight with the weed pressure. And well, we're just going to redress these beds and they'll make her look pretty. But guys, before we do that, we're going to take a quick intermission here so that me and my nephew can go cool down, because it's like 90 degrees already. Actually, it's like 95, I think. But we're going to go inside, cool down for a minute, get us some water, and come right back out. So y'all won't even know we're gone. And we are back from our super froggy break, y'all. All right, guys. So we are going to be taking down this trellising. And then we are going to be taking care of this middle weed problem I got right here. But while we're taking down this trellising, the first thing we got to do is come in here and remove all these little zip ties. Now guys, I'm not throwing this back in my garden, so just know that. This is plastic. You don't want it in your garden. So we are going to be going through and unzip tying and taking down this netting. Now after we do that, we'll be pulling up these posts. And we're going to accomplish all this in super frog mode. Yay! So guys, y'all get ready. Here we go. Go froggy, go froggy, go froggy, do the froggy dance, do the froggy dance. Yeah, we are back from super frog mode, y'all. And I tell you what, if I had one tip and one tip only to give you, it is get you some manual tools, a hoe, a rake, and stuff like that. Because when you're doing stuff really close to plants, it don't hurt to go ahead and go the manual route, like me and Mr. Smiley, and get the weeds out that way. Because yeah, we have Hoss, and Hoss could gotten all these weeds out, but a lot easier to mess up with Hoss and destroy a tomato plant real quick. So it's better to, sometimes better, to go ahead and go the manual route and get her done. But guys, look at this. Just a little bit ago, we had netting up, we had the trellising, the peas and everything. And I mean, wow, what a difference it makes. And in fact, before you probably couldn't even tell I had tomatoes here. And look at all my tomato plants, guys. I love my tomatoes. Now see, these, I have 40 summer pick tomatoes, which will be our canning tomatoes. And I have 40 tachi tomatoes, which are a paste tomato. Both these tomatoes are determinate, and both of them are a disease-resistant style of tomato, which that just means that they have been bred to resist the diseases that are in this area. However, that don't mean disease proof. So I'm going to have to be doing something about that and helping them out a little bit, but that'll be on another video. Now today, this video is wrapping up. But before I wrap it up, I want to say thank you to Mary of My Simple Cottage Life. I really appreciate that shout out you did for me today. Well, you're watching this tomorrow, so it'll be yesterday, and I really got to quit thanking y'all. It hurts my brain. But Mary, I really do appreciate it. In fact, I'm going to leave a link down below this way in my descriptions, and that way y'all can go check out Mary of My Simple Cottage Life. And to all my new subscribers, thank you. I really do appreciate y'all subscribing to me, and well, I appreciate y'all supporting my channel. Now remember guys, hit that like button and tell people about me. This has been Michael with Frogfoot Holler. Y'all have a froggy day.